Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will be talking about the stages of the menstruation cycle. Okay guys, so here you will see the various stages of the and suppose if a question is asked in your exam, what happens when the egg is not fertilized. Okay, so this is also comes in the menstruation only. If the egg is not fertilized, it leaves for about 1 day. Okay, then what the happens is the menstruation takes place. Okay, so menstruation cycle means menstruation is the cycle event of the release of the ovum from the ovary and its removal from the body when the fertilization does not happens. Okay, so when the fertilization does not happens, the menstruation takes place. So in this, the uterus lining which becomes thick and spongy for nourishing the embryo. Okay, so this is the uterus lining which is been built in the uterus for the nourishment of the baby. Okay, and what does this the embryo breaks the embryo breaks and comes out through the vagina as the blood, and this comes out through the vagina as the bloods and mucus. When fertilization does not occur, it usually lasts for about 2 to 8 days. Okay, so this so which we called as the menstruation cycle, and you can see that in this first day is a menstruation. Suppose when the menstruation happens, then again the follicular phase, which I have shown here. I don't think so it is visible for you, but I can see this follicular phase, ovulation, luteal phase. Okay, so I will explain this and menstruation cycle basis. The meaning is for meaning what is the meaning is this time for the first day of the period to the first time for the first day of a period to the first of the next period. Okay, purpose to prepare for the possible pregnancy. Okay, so it is prepared for the pregnancy, but if the pregnancy doesn't happen, it comes out, okay, in the form of menstruation. And this is the length, 21 to 35 days. It varies from women to women. Okay, and with 3 to 7 days of bleeding, and the bleeding may occur from bleeding may be in the women for about 3 to 7 days. It depends, and it from person to person. And duration, puberty to menopause. And when this menstruation from how much if a question is arise, for how much duration menstruation happens, so it is from the puberty to menopause. Okay, so guys, let's talk the various stages. So first is this ovulation. And what this is the ovulation means, this is when an egg is released from the biggest follicle and travels through the fallopian tube, which it can be fertilized. If it is not fertilized, it dissolves in about 24 to 48 hours. So if the egg is not fertilized, it waits. So it's, you can see it's sleeping over here, the egg. It's waiting for the sperm. And the second is the luteal phase. This is when the endometrium, the lining of the uterus, is thick and prepared to support a pregnancy and to be released in the period. Then this is the third stage. This is what we say this follicular phase. This is when several eggs mature inside the small cast of for follicles. Okay, and the last four stages, the luteal phase. So in this, after that, they what this so, and last stage and this is the answer. The last is this menstruation. Not I've read this I have discussed already. This is the second one. Okay, and the last is the menstruation. This is the period when the endometric and the lining of the uterus sheds over 3 to 7 days. If there is no pregnancy, the lining sheds and it comes out. The main, if you want to summarize this, you can summarize in this way. First of all, the lining is thick lining is created, and if this thick lining, the egg is waiting for the sperm to come and fertilize it. Okay, and if the fertilization does not takes place, so what happens, it waits, and if for about 1 to 24 one day. And if it doesn't, then then the menstruation takes place, and it comes from the vagina in the form of the blood. Okay, so hope guys you have understood this video. For any if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like the video, so which will motivate me to keep making the videos like this. So till then, take care, bye bye.